seconds, creating an impressive sound as the wood pops out of the ground. Precision in every movement helps optimize processes, turning a difficult task into an easy one. Today, I proudly work around my property with a Bobcat E85 excavator. I am dealing with two giant tree stumps. The first is 25 inches in diameter, and the second is 36 inches, a pine tree that was cut many years ago. With the power of the Bobcat 85, I easily uprooted both tree stumps, bringing new beauty to my 1-acre plot. A bustling operation includes a Kalmar log stalker, a Liebherr excavator, and a Volvo wheel loader. The Kalmar log stalker stacks the wood neatly, while the Liebherr excavator moves large logs. Finally, Volvo wheel loaders collect and transport the wood to the processing area, creating an efficient and coordinated production process. When you witness the WESTTECH Stump Puller R900 in action, you will be amazed at the machine. With a smart design, the machine can uproot large tree stumps in just a few. New Zealand's majestic landscape becomes even more impressive thanks to the Aztec truck carrying 5 blocks of wood. On one side are fresh green trees. On the other side are newly harvested logs, creating an attractive contrast. Sumitomo SH240 excavator with modern design and outstanding colors works tirelessly. The roaring sound of the engine mixed with the sound of birds singing, creating a unique symphony of the green forest. At the Binderhole sawmill in Austria, felling a tree easier and faster than ever. Jack decided to clear the woods behind his house to make more space for planting and tested the Hymic tree stump bucket. He just needs to stick the bucket into the tree stump, lift it up, and the tree stump pops out quickly, turning hard work into a game. With this machine, the area is tidy and Jack is ready for new planting projects. Have you ever thought about owning a professional excavator right at home? Leave comment number 1 and we'll. Compared to using a crowbar or saw to remove tree stumps, a Ranxatokos is much more effective and requires less effort. The Stump Shear 1270 is a great tool with extremely fast stump cutting ability. In just a blink of an eye, large, hard stumps are cut into small pieces. This makes cleaning up the area after working in the woods in Washington. The worker, wearing protective gear, operates the Arankatokos with surprising skill. Each cut is precisely calculated, removing tree stumps without damaging surrounding trees. The 42-inch long saw cut through the hardwood of the giant cedar tree, showing off the worker's excellent technique. Conquering untamed truckers, the rigmaster wrestles the wooden canopy through nature, a battle of strength. You'll be amazed at the speed at which tree stumps are removed in just a few minutes. Use the machine to dig deep into the ground and break up sturdy tree roots. The process is quick, turning a difficult task into something easy. The machine's outstanding power allows even the largest tree stumps to be processed without wasting much time. We were recently impressed with Faken's Stump stump grinder. With much faster grinding speeds and no flying sawdust, the machine allows flexible working in tight spaces. Stumpex is truly a superior stump grinder, but is very light and safe. Overwhelming strength, they can easily tear apart the largest tree stumps. Discover the secrets of these uprooting monsters. Kantagen no Stoa Metz Canela UPM Metz uses advanced technology to uproot giant tree stumps, weighing tons in the blink of an eye. This machine not only quickly processes tree stumps, but also protects the environment, creating a valuable source of raw materials for the industry. When it comes to fastest tree harvester removal equipment, you